we're back for another video, and this one is about cooking again. So in today's video I'm gonna try the cookies, matcha cookies by VivreHealthy.com, I think. Anyway, don't worry, the links are in the description as always. And yeah, for this one I wanted to try these because it sounds amazing to me. I don't know if you guys can picture this. Cookie matcha. I mean, sounds like a dream to me. I don't know what you think about it, but yeah. Very quickly, VivreHealthy is a young girl that is proposing a lot of different recipes. I tried one of her recipes before, I think, if I do remember well. And it's all about pleasure and healthy at the same time. Oh, her website is in French. I don't know if she translates her recipes or not. Today I'm gonna try this, and I've never tried them before, but I'm so impatient because I'm like, I want them now. I want to taste them now. I'm hungry already. Just thinking about it, I just want to eat them right now. But yeah, I'll have to wait a little bit. And if I don't stop talking, I'll have to wait much more. So let's go, let's go, let's go. So for this recipe, you'll need chocolate chips, flour, sugar. She uses coconut sugar, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna try these with regular sugar. Unfortunately, I know. Peanut butter, an egg, matcha green tea powder, and finally baking powder. You ready? Okay, let's go. Time to cook. Okay, so first step is to mix the peanut butter with the coconut sugar. She does this using her hands, but I don't really like it, so I'm gonna try with my spoon and hopefully it will do. Wish me luck. Hey guys, ASMR, listen. I don't know if you can hear that, but this sound makes me think of someone walking in the snow. I don't know what you guys think about it, but I kind of feel like when you're adding the sugar progressively in it and mixing slowly together, it's pretty good. What do you think? Okay, then you take the flour, the baking powder, and then take a big spoon like this. We need 3 spoons of matcha powder. So here is 1. Here is 2. And the last one. And then mix all together. Add the previous mixture to this one. Add the egg, and yeah, you guessed it, mix it up. And then, last but not least, the chocolate cheese. Yay! And then we let it this way? Of course not. We mix everything. Yay! Let's go. Mix, mix, mix. You can do that at the beginning, but I didn't want to hear the sound of it, so I'm doing it now. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I'm trying to cheat the system. Let's see if it works. No, these are not the one I just prepared. I was too hungry. It's still in the oven, so couldn't wait. Et voila! You know what? I was scared at first. They're still super hot, so I'm not touching them for now. But I was scared because I felt like it was powdery, if it does make sense. But you know what? It seems that it's good, finally. Let me try to show you. Okay. So look. Can you see it? You see? So I am satisfied with it so far, but I cannot taste them for now because they're too hot. I don't know, maybe I used the wrong peanut butter because for some reason, look, it did not melt. But as long as the taste is here, I don't care. Hey, impatient Gwenai here. I want to try them now. I'm so curious. I'm satisfied with it so far. I mean, it's holding together, so that's great. I was scared, you know. I was like, did I do something wrong? Maybe I would recommend you maybe to choose wisely the peanut butter you're going to choose for this recipe. This would be the advice of the day. Maybe I shall come back to let you know what I think about them, and yeah, see ya. I really feel like using this is a game changer in this recipe. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you heard that. This was Athena playing with her toy. Sorry. Moment of truth, guys. I don't know. She's not playing, guys. I really like it. You definitely need to try this. Just keep something under just in case. This is the only thing I would express any regrets about, but yeah, it's a yes for me. Amazing. Pauline, you did an amazing job. I like it. I feel better. I ate a cookie, I feel better. I was feeling good before, so I feel even better. So, thank you, Pauline, for this amazing recipe. I liked it. And you guys, I highly recommend you to have a look and check her website. And I'll put her Instagram in the description as well. So that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, everything. I hope you like it. I don't know if I said it already or not, but yeah, I hope you like it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.